What's up, y'all? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So guess what? I want to talk to y'all about the many ways you can use Poppin Oils.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you many ways you can use Poppin Oils 3-in-1. This is my There's No Body Better. I like to call this my coconut and lavender with a peppermint twist. All right, there's 10 ingredients in here. All natural, vegan, and sustainable because this bottle is glass. The first way you can use these oils are to moisturize and seal your hair. You can use it on your scalp every single night. A few drops go a very long way. You can use it after you've shampooed and conditioned and you want to lock in that moisture. You can use these oils to lock and seal in that moisture using the LOC method, obviously. Number 2, you can add these oils to your favorite deep conditioner, period. Pick one. Add maybe 5 to 10 drops in there. Mix it all in and deep condition. You're welcome, because your hair gonna be soft and bussin'. You can hot oil treat with these oils. Now, what I would do, because there's so many premium oils in here, I wouldn't just put the whole thing into a container and heat it. What I would do is add 5 to 10 drops of Poppin Oils to your favorite carrier oil. So that could be extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba, to your hot oil treatment. Then heat that up. Obviously, the best way to heat it up is with boiling water. Set the container into hot water and then let it warm up. Some people use the microwave, but I can't advocate for that because every microwave is different and the settings are different and I don't want you to burn yourself. So heat it up, add it to your scalp and your strands. Put your plastic cap on and boom, hot oil treat for 20 to 30 minutes. Shampoo, condition your hair, and you can thank me later. So number 4, you can pre-poo with this. So those with finer texture hair, 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, 3C, you can use Poppin Oils to pre-poo. Add as much of this to your hair as you want. Rub it into your scalp. Add it to your strands, the full lengths. Put your hair in a bun, or 2 pigtails, or a cap. Let it sit. Do your shampoo, deep condition. You'll thank me later. It'll control your frizz. It will add shine, and it will soften your hair. Number 5, use our oils as a natural heat protectant. There are oils in here that can withstand up to 450-degree heat. So extra virgin olive oil, there's coconut oil in here, there's castor oil in here, but you only need a few tiny drops. You can add it before you silk press your hair, before you flat iron, before you hot comb. There's people still doing that. Are you still hot combing? Before you style your hair, but with heat, blow drying your hair. I actually love to blow dry my hair, then add a few drops, and then put as I'm about to do my whole silk press, and then add my hair into sections and braid it down, and then boom, it's so soft and it's just fantastic, and your hair still feels light and wonderful. So you only need maybe 2 to 3 tiny drops. Rub. Put it in your hair, braid it down, and then get your silk press going. Number 6, Poppin Oils is fantastic on your skin. So let's get into it. You can use Poppin Oils right after the shower. So after you've towel dried or microfiber dried or air dried, you can add Poppin Oils all over your skin to give you that moisturizing glow, and also to put all of those wonderful nutrients, vitamin A, vitamin E, into your skin and just have a soft, supple skin. I mean, it's fantastic, period, hands down. I use it all the time on my skin. I also use it to heal my tattoos. Because all the ingredients are supernatural. I just rubbed a few drops onto my tattoo if I get a tattoo, and it takes away that itch. It doesn't have all that weird flaking. It seeps right into the skin and nourishes the skin. This is after it's healed for about, after your tattoo's healed for about 3 days, I would use the oils. That's my recommendation. I'm not an expert though. Use it at your own risk. Number 7, to fortify and strengthen your nails, your real nails, or if you're going out there and getting your nails bust down with your designs and all of that, you still want to add something to your cuticles. You can take Poppin Oils and just add a few drops to your cuticles to fortify and strengthen your nails. Don't forget them crusty, dusty toes of y'all, and add them to your toenail cuticle beds as well. You can also take your oils with you to get your nails done when you're getting your nails done. Instead of them using their oil, whichever that is, to massage them feet of yours, give them your Poppin Oils and have them massage that into your cuticle beds and into your legs and your ankles and them cracks in your toes. Fortify and strengthen them toenails, especially under dips, gels, acrylic stuff. Fortify your cuticle and strengthen them nails. I ain't gonna tell you your stuff ain't gonna break, but at least you're giving it a fighting chance to survive. Number 8. Now, this is my favorite one. Did you know that you can use Poppin Oils to remove your makeup? Period. Add a few drops to your nighttime routine. I would say like 5 or 6 drops. Rub it all onto your face, and then get your towelette or whatever you use to remove makeup. I would say just like a face towel, not a towel, but like a cloth, a face cloth, and then gently remove your makeup from your eyes, from underneath your eyes, all of that. You can follow that up with a face wash if you want. As a number 9 use case, number 9, as a face mask. You can put these oils on your face, and I do it personally. I add these oils on my face during my nighttime routine after I have washed, toned, used whatever moisturizer, and then I like to go in with my Poppin Oils added to my face because they are a little bit of a heavier oil, and then wake up feeling soft, supple, and amazing. Look at my TikTok. I gave you a full review on how I did that process. And then last but not least, but honestly, again, this is a 3-in-1, but I like to say it's a 10-in-1. Number 10, you can use this to help control frizz. So if you're feeling dry, your hair is feeling dry, and or you're in somewhat of a moisturized area, like, listen, it's not going to stop you from poofing out. Like if you're in the Caribbean or something like that, you know, it ain't gonna keep you from puffing up from that silk press. It's just not. Like, no oil's gonna do that. Maybe like some sort of silicone, but Poppin Oils is gonna help you with, you know, just getting them flyaways, giving your hair a little bit of a shine, adding a little something, a little oomph to it before you step out in them streets or go to your favorite dinner or whatever the case you're about to go do, honey. It's your business, not mine. But yeah, you can use it to tame your frizz. The other benefits of Poppin Oils is it helps with dandruff, dry scalp. We have a sensitive formula as well, which is my 10 out of 10. It's a win that will not inflame your hair or your skin if you have psoriasis or eczema. So check us out at poppinoils.com and drop a comment below and let me know how you're using our oils and if they've worked for you. Bye.